Alright guys, I'm pretty excited about this one. We've got an unboxing and first look at the ultra budget TCL 10 Pro. A budget Pro. How can that be? Let's take a look. If you're looking for tech reviews that give you the information you actually care about, then hit that subscribe button and be sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. No, you heard me right. This is a Pro phone with a budget price. I don't know, it's crazy. We're taking a look at it, see exactly what comes in this bad boy. So it does come in two colors. They sent us this gray, and from my friends taking a look at it and me taking a peek at it, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the glow on that. This thing is gonna be $450, and look at that lineup of cameras on the back there. I don't know, man, $450, this is what you're getting. Let's see exactly what else we got in here. We got a SIM tray removal tool. And on the inside here, let's see else what we got. I believe, I haven't watched anyone else's video, so I'm behind on the curve here. Oh, we got some directions and a case. Very, very cool. Display greatness, which is a little moniker they got going on there. Here, let's go ahead and move that to the side. You can see that. Very cool. Looks like we've got the cable here, which, again, I didn't look at the bottom of the phone. Yep, we've got USB-C on there, so budget phone with USB-C. You can't go wrong there. What else do we got here? And a wall wart. And this is a pretty legit looking wall wart. I'm gonna have to see exactly what charging we got there. But with my bad eyes and the lighting that we're in, I can't see that. So we'll have to double check on that for you guys real quick. That looks like all we have in the box. So compared to the iPhone SE, this thing's got some height to it. And as far as width-wise, we're talking about the same. Actually, a little bit bigger on the ends there. But you know, if you like a small phone, this is probably not going to be for you. So let's turn it on and take a look. So we're all booted up. We have a 6.47-inch Full HD display, and you got a little bit of the waterfall design, but I do notice that it actually ends a little bit before that. So I'm real curious to see exactly how that works out for those palm touches and accidental touches on the side there. But this phone, as I take a look of it more and more, this is absolutely gorgeous. The feel is absolutely insane. I mean, this is a premium feel smartphone. Now, I've got my fingerprint set up on here, and you can do it that way. And there also is Face ID that I set up on setting this phone up. So it's going to be real interesting to see exactly. You see that there? I actually just turned that on, looked at it, and it let me right in. And of course you have the fingerprint display as well, which lets you in. So a very cool first look at this bad boy. I'm extremely excited to see exactly what we have going on here. A 64 megapixel main shooter. It's got 128 gigs of storage, 6 gigs of RAM, 4,500 milliamp battery, and HDR10. I mean, this thing is loaded with a whole bunch of goodies. The other cameras on the back here, I believe there is an ultra wide and a macro. So we're gonna be posting some pictures on my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on there at TechExamined, as well as Twitter. And I'll post some pictures on there as we get going here. But you're going to start seeing some reviews on this coming out. I'm a little slow on uploading this video, and I apologize. But there are some great folks that got their hands on this device. And I'm extremely excited to actually try this out. So there is your first look. Can't go too much into it as of right now. What they've got included in here and what they give you to start off. Actually very, very cool. You can't complain there. They give you a case. They give you a wall wart. I'm hoping this is like a fast charge wall wart. And, you know, pretty good as a budget phone to have the USB-C. It looks like we got a speaker and some microphones on the bottom here. I should say speaker and microphone on the bottom right about there. Looks like your SIM's going to go in there. On the side here, you got your volume rockers up and down and your sleep-wake button. I don't know how that's going to work out. I'm going to probably end up bumping those side by side, but we'll see exactly what that does as some usage goes. This is your multifunction button. You can actually change this to do different things, so we'll have to check that out as well. Headphone jack on the top here. What do you think of that? And it looks like we might have another microphone, maybe a speaker on top there. I believe I see a speaker right up at the top here. And of course your speaker down at the bottom to give you some stereo action going on right there. But more to come on this phone. Again, this is the TCL 10 Pro, and I'm extremely excited to try this out and see how it compares. So I'm going to do some camera tests on this. We're going to compare it to the iPhone SE and see what's doing. They are in a similar price range, so gotta go head to head, right? We gotta check it out. They also have a 10L, which I didn't get my hands on yet. I'm gonna try to get my hands on that and maybe do all three and check it out. But I mean, I did a little unboxing of this and went through it. If you want to check that out, that video is right here. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because more on this coming up. We're going to do a few videos, and I'm excited to see how this holds up. So you guys stick around, and I'll talk to you later.